going to take 2 apples and you're going to chop them up. It does kind of depend. It could take 4 to 6 hours, but you can always turn off, like say that you have to leave the house, you can have it cooking for 3 hours and then turn off the oven, go run your errands, but keep the oven closed and keep it in the oven. Then when you come back, turn it back on for that other hour, or maybe it might take up to 6, so then you have to do it for another 3, and because it won't affect it, but you don't want it sitting there for days until you can get back to it. That won't be healthy for you. But when it's done, it will be tacky, not sticky, but tacky. And you want to try it right here in the center. So let's go ahead and let this start cooking.